Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. My name is Mark Lares Osambalito, a political science student. I know that this is not required to make a video, but I would like to just explain and love to expound why I want to make a video regarding it. I want to expound the context that surrounds it, like the pictures of the persons that is below and the quotes on the above of the brochure and the inside of the panels. That's why I have created the inception of this video. Anyway, I am Mark Lars Osambalilo, a political science student from Cavite City University for the requirements of the course. Understanding the Self, General Education course number 8, in partial fulfillments for the degree of Bachelor of Arts in Political Science as my submission of entry for the final examination for UTS. So, if you open, this is the this is the first cover when this is printed in actual, but today we're gonna sh- show it, like, I'm just gonna explain. So this is the where, where you see on the right panel of the brochure, you see the obtuse of the UP Diliman. So I would like to explain that I have included this as this is relevant to my topic, how to be a better student, as the oblation of the statue of the UPD represents the paghihiwalay, pagbabaklas sa pananakop sa atin ng mga Espanya at saka mga bayani na katulad ni Jose Rizal, Emilio Jacinto, and other notable figures have these qualities of a student that have embraced the nationality and also the wit, intelligence, tenacity that have produced and made us a better students ourselves. So these figures are represented by the core values of Cavite City University. This is truth, integrity, excellence, service. So yeah, my topic of the study, rather the brochure, is know yourself, manage yourself, become a better student. There are highlighted words, which is the know, manage, better. Self-awareness is not optional. It is the foundation of effective learning, sound decision making, and responsible leadership. So when you open that brochure, yeah, you're gonna see that what happens while learning. So yeah, just read it. So I have included these notable figures and revolutionary persons that have enveloped us to the Philippine society and contemporary governance that is happening today. So many might be thinking why I have included these videos, why I have included them in my video. So these all persons have the quality of a student because they are courageous, they have the perseverance, and they also have the intelligence to survive, and they also have the cognizance to learn better and strive for the more enveloped society. So many might be thinking, who are these persons? So this is Thomas Hobbes. He is a political theorist who have evolutionized the theories conception of the political world. This is Aristotle, the father of political science. This is the secretary of Department of Energy and Natural Resources. She has protected the environment, particularly the Sierra Madre, Mother Nature, by saying no against the mining companies, against the colonizers, and also the Chinese companies who want to make a profit rather than taking mind of the environment. Bias Ganda, many might be thinking, why is she included in this brochure? She deserves a position here as she is a political science major, and also many, she might not be a student, but she is an advocate and an epitome of the catalyst of the change, as her words represents the epitome of the working class or the proletariat. And also, I have included also Catriona Gray as she sparks words and also conversations. She opens up discussions, discourses that might be relevant to the society. So yeah, when you open the first cover, you're gonna see this topic. What happens while learning, and above is the some quote. So many might be thinking, I have included the quote and also the short biography by Miriam Defensor Santiago. She she have the sharp wit and fearless intellect that shape Philippine politics. And I have included this quote in order to make sure that when to whomever will read this, they will see and skim all through these persons and just speak whom they resonate with and just embody the ideals and aspirations of that person. For example, me, I idolize Vice Ganda, so I will resonate with her. If somebody like a straight man would want to be smart, intelligent, and socially good, I would recommend Bam Aquino as he graduated with Laude in Ateneo. Yeah. And the second panel is the brain and behavior changes. So you're gonna see there above adaptability styles form of intelligence that I have seen on Substack. And also I have seen this theory rather or yeah the pag the, we are familiar with crab mentality, pub mentality. I just wanna spark some positive theories like Pygmalion effect. When someone believes in you, for example, I believe in you, you start performing better. That's Pygmalion effect. So after that, this is the fourth topic, which is the fourth. Sorry for the inconvenience. So above, this is the persons that I have grown up with, except this person as she is the highest person who have reached the summa cum laude in political science and also the valedictorian in Cavite City University. And this is my valedictorian in senior high school. This is what I idolize for presidency. And this is Nad Mecha, the BS Biology major in UPD, as he shares some advocacies and also shares some helpful tips in order to be a better student, like active recall, Feynman method, and also space repetition. And I have learned that all from him. So I have included these four persons as my resonate to what I resonate for. And I have included also the quote from Attorney General Ray Sanchez, who observed as Ferdinand Marcos on terms of percentage that it's not always about intelligence. It's about grit, it's about tenacity, and it's about being able to take hits and still keep standing. So yeah, that is the in conclusion why self-awareness matters. So these are all. A self-aware student is not just academically competent but also emotionally grounded and socially conscious. So on how to be a better student, the academic alone does not matter. You have to be also holistic approach. You have to approach academics holistically. You have to count on your health, your physical, your spiritual, your political self, your moral self, your digital self, your social self, and all kinds of self in order to have the best form of academic self. So yeah, and this is my reference where I have collected this information of all. And I thank you.